Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to find your headphones LG tone-free fit. You have to start by open the application and now scroll down. And right here we have find my earbuds, so click on it. And now we can play song for the left one and right one earbud. But don't use the headphones when it in your ears, because it can damage your ears actually. So to play a song on the left one or right one, you should click on this play button. So click on it. This is for the left one, the same for the right one. And when you find it, just click pause. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.